brace comes pre-installed with a 0-degree extension stop. Stops are available for 5, 10, 20, and 30 degrees of extension. Remove the condyle pad from the hinge. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw. Bend the brace slightly. Place the tip of the screwdriver under the tab and gently pry the tab out of the hinge until it is fully exposed. Then remove it from the hinge. Select your desired stop angle. The specific stop angle is molded into each stop. Insert the hook tip of the stop into the hinge. Push down on the other side until it is flush with the front of the hinge. Finish by installing the screw and condyle pad. Repeat these steps for the hinge on the other side, making sure to use the matching stop.